In this problem, problem 4.3.33, we're talking about a painting that was purchased in 1998 for $175,000, and they estimate that we can find its value at any point with this equation, where t is the number of years since it was purchased. And then they ask us how fast is it appreciating in 2004. Now if we ask how much it's appreciating, we just mean how much is the value changing. Or in this case, we could say how much is it changing per year, or in other words, that sounds like anytime we're talking about how fast something is changing, that's the derivative. So let's just find the derivative. We want to find the derivative. Before I do that though, I might rewrite my original equation just to make it a little bit easier. So this is 175,000 times e. Now this t over 9, I might rewrite as t times 1 over 9. That might make it a little bit easier. So now for my derivative, the 175,000, that's just a coefficient or a multiplication, constants multiplying it, so we can just ignore that. Okay, now e to the t times 1/9. Okay, whenever we're taking the derivative of e, let me not put that there, we keep it exactly the same, so it's still going to be t times 1/9. Okay, but it's kind of like a hidden chain rule, where the box is whatever's inside the power of e. So you keep whatever's inside the box exactly the same, just like we did with the chain rule. Now, times it by the derivative of whatever's inside the box. So what's inside the box is 1 over 9 times t. So the 1 over 9 comes down, and the derivative of t is just 1. Or in other words, we just have to bring down the 1/9. So the derivative is going to be, let's multiply that 1/9 through. If I multiply the 1/9, I get 19,444.444, repeating, e to again the t over 9. Now we want to know, so that's our general equation for how fast it's appreciating at any time, or how fast the value is changing at any time. We want to know in 2004. So from 1998 to 2004, that's 6 years. So we want to know what it is when t equals 6. Or v prime at 6, let's just plug it in. So 19,444.44 e to the 6 over 9 equals $37,872.61. So it's appreciating at a rate of $37,000 per year. That's quite a bit per year.